Earl Musick here, United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho, and I'm coming to you from my brand new listing on the south end of Grangeville. It's 523 Elk Street. Come in and let's take a look. First room we're going to walk into is the living room. As you can see, it's nice and big, has a Blaze King wood-burning fireplace, and then we're going to turn right around and I'm going to invite you into the first of the 3 bedrooms upstairs. As you can see, it has a crazy paint scheme that can be easily fixed with a gallon of paint. We're going to move down the hall now. And this room, you're going to notice, has the hardwood flooring original to the house exposed, which the seller tells me there is still the hardwood underneath the carpet. I'm going to turn the corner here just a little bit, and I want to show you this. There's a washer and dryer up here. The previous owners did not want to do laundry down in the basement, so they had their hookups put up here. But all you have to do, the hookups still exist in the basement, move that washer and dryer back downstairs, and then you will have another bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom. Upstairs. Have a nice, beautiful view of the backyard there. We're going to get to that here in a few minutes. It's a very large backyard. But first, I'm going to show you this beautiful 60s bathroom. Now, coming into here, this is something you don't see in modern houses anymore, but this is a built-in China hutch. Really nice feature of this house. Has a really nice dining room here. Got the slider window out to the backyard. Nice spacious kitchen, plenty of cabinets. So let's go on down to the basement and I'm going to show you that. So this is down in the basement. This is the canning kitchen. As you can see, it's got the stove in there, a sink, there's a pantry, lots of shelves for a lot of food storage. And then also right here I want to point out is the washer and dryer hookup. So you have the hot water, cold water, there's the 220 power down there, and of course the vent for your dryer. Right across the hallway we have an office area. That big table there you see mounted on the wall is a drafting table. Would be great for any kind of crafts that you might have. Then there's a closet, some built-in shelves, and their furnace is right here behind this door. Moving down the hallway a little bit, we have a bathroom right here. Dual vanity, has the step-in tub. And then it opens up into what we call a non-conforming bedroom. The reason this is non-conforming is because we have 2 windows here, but they're both a little too high and a little too small for emergency exits in case of a fire. And so that is something that you can remedy. My neighbor did it for his basement here just a couple of years ago. They can cut a bigger hole right there in the foundation, install a bigger window, put a window well in it. Right in here, this is what I'm calling the game room. Man cave, whatever you want to call it. But this is a nice big room. There used to be a fireplace here. It's gone, but the chimney's right there. It would probably be a really cool spot for a pellet stove, make it nice and warm and cozy down in here. Sorry about all the personal property. We are going to do an auction for these people. That is another service that we do here at United Country Real Estate. And so if you're interested in looking at auctions, go to gobidtoday.com and you can check out all of our personal property auctions we do there. And then if you like to walk in here real quick, we have another craft room. If it was me, I would use this as an ammunition reloading room. But of course, when you own the house, you can use it for anything you like. All right, let's go check out the garage and the backyard. All right, here we are in the garage. This is a 2-car garage, and we have automatic openers for both garage doors. As you can see, it's pretty big and spacious. We have a nice workbench here. You can definitely park 2 vehicles in here and still be able to work. and it has its own entrance into the backyard. I'm going to take you out here right now. This is a big, nice deck. Be perfect for doing your barbecues, entertaining. Has a really large backyard. Something else I want to point out, there's a gate right here. There's an alleyway. If you have kids, the elementary and middle school is right here behind me. Your kids could be to school in 3 minutes. Again, this is 523 Elk Street on the south end of Grangeville, Idaho. Thank you so much for walking through it. If you have any interest, please give me a call. I would love to come up here and give you your own private showing of the property. If it's more convenient for you though, you can check out my website, ucidaholand.com, and I have a complete 3D interactive walkthrough that you can do on this house. And remember, at United Country, we always like to remind our buyers to find your freedom.